Today's lesson is gradient. How to sign is meaning. What does this sign mean?
Anyone?
Anyone know this?
Yes?
Sideways?
It's slope or gradient.
Girl?
Slope of what?
Slope.
Slope of mountain.
Mountain range. Do you agree with that, Oidinoy?
Mountain place, down and down up places. Okay. Today lesson objective: use gradient in a real life situation. What is gradient? What is a gradient?
Gradient is the change y over the change x.
Change. If we use real life, for example, going down or going up, how to find? Lola?
Rise over run.
Rise over
Rise
run.
over
Okay.
run. Okay.
Okay.
Identify if the gradient is positive or negative. Doesn't show shadow, only
The road itself.
Road itself. Road is gradient positive or negative?
Okay, look at here. From here, it's going up.
Going up.
Is it positive or negative?
Come on.
Positive.
Why?
Because
If we
if we draw the gradient like this positive, vice versa it's negative.
negative.
Okay.
Next one. Identify also this. If we go up to down, we move up to down.
From this
Gradient.
side, and then from this side, it went down. What kind of
Gradient.
gradient is
I
that?
don't know.
It is a negative gradient.
Negative gradient. Okay.
Because it's going.
Down.
Okay. Our formula again.
Gradient. Our formula is gradient vertical change divided by horizontal change. Our gradient. If we draw or cycling going down, its gradient is always positive. Going up, if we draw going down, gradient is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gradient changing. Vertical changing 8.
What about x?
Changing
It's
4. Our gradient is equal to 2. 8 over 4. Gradient is
2.
2. Okay.
So, between m
And
that's our gradient. Okay, very good.
very good. And calculate the gradient as a route, rise and run. Rise divided by run. Always we find this type gradient.
What's the fraction of 25%?
5%.
1 over
1 over 4. Meaning is 1 over 4.
So, if we put it in ratio, what is that? Anyone? Ratio.
Ratio 1
It should
over
be
1 over 4.
Okay.
Because 25% 0.25 and change
Fraction.
fraction it is 1 over 4. We going up route, going up 25%. We rise, we draw run 4 meters and rise 1 meters. Every 4 meters rise 1 meters. Okay, it is our gradient.
So, what will happen if that is the case? So, if that is x, what would be x?
4.
4, right? X is 4.
Y, okay, y is 1, and x is?
4.
So, what is the ratio now?
1 over
Okay. Which one is steeper?
Which one steeper?
2. 1 over 2.
1 over 4 or 1
1
over
over
2?
2.
If we draw going up, if we draw going up,
Look at the gradient. Which is steeper?
if we draw going up, which one steeper?
Wait, anyone? Could you explain?
It is 1 over 2 because its gradient is greater than the first.
No.
You choose first.
No, it's the second one.
Second one.
Okay.
Do you agree?
Yes.
Do you agree? Very
Yes.
good. Next.
Because this side is high.
Steeper. Yeah.
Steeper. Consider the pictures below. Give your idea in how to measuring the heights of the flagpole using gradient.
Anyone who can give an idea?
Give ideas.
Marjona?
First of all, we should measure the shadow of the person, for example. It will play the role of X.
Mhm.
Then the original height of the person also, it will be the Y. Then we find the gradient Y over X. Then we should find we should measure the shadow of the flagpole. Then we know that gradient is equal to change in Y over X. So now we can find the original height of the flagpole as Y equal to mx, or gradient of the person multiplied by the x, the shadow of the flagpole.
Do you agree with that?
Yes.
What if like this? If I gave you, let's say for example, I will measure the height of this person. Let's say 1 o'clock. Okay, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And then I will measure the shadow of the pole after 1 hour. Do you think the shadow would be, it would be the same?
No.
Why?
No, it will not be same because sun is moving. The sun is changing its angle.
Position.
Angle. So if the change in angle, is there also a change in gradient?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you agree to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so what we will do now is we will go outside and let us put this one into practice. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Okay, class. Now we are outside. Now let us apply what we have studied earlier. So apply gradient into a real life situation. Now we have here things. Let's say for example our building. Okay, group 1. I want you to measure our building using the slope that you can see there. Okay, using the shadow slope. Group 2. I want you to measure the height of this tree. Okay, using the slope of the shadow of the tree. Next, group 4, I want you to measure the height of this light post, okay, using the shadow. Okay? Now, you have your materials? Yes. Okay. Now, I'll give you 5 minutes to 10 minutes to finish your work. Okay? Ready? Go.
Students, bir vaqtga e'tibor qilinglar.
I suggest, okay, in a group, you pair yourself into 2. The other one is measuring the height of the shadow, and the other one is measuring the shadow of the building.
Ma, Azza.
And the other one is listing the details. Okay.
Okay. Measuring shadow.
That's 152, yes?
Yeah.
Remember, you have only
Ya, ayog'ini asosidan ol, ana shu yerdan ol. Ma. Boshing ko'tar.
move it also. You can stretch now. Stretch the, yeah. No, I mean, yes, move now. How much?
100.
240.
50, 200.
Sahal sur. Bu
150?
nimasiga?
Ah, okay.
To'pig'iga qo'y. To'pig'iga to'g'risiga.
Plus what?
Boshing. 120. 100. 20. Measuring shadow.
Okay. Did you finish your computation?
Qaniki metrlarigiz? İkincisi qanadir?
Well done. We're finished.
Okay. So is that your gradient?
How much high?
Okay.
Yo, bitta yetar.
Mr. Francis.
Yeah.
Calculator. Okay, you can borrow
How
your
much
calculator.
height is 3?
5.5 meters.
5.5.
So what is your height?
5.5 meters.
5.5 meters.
Okay.
Okay, that's good.
3 meters and about 40 centimeters.
To'xtab qoldimi?
How much?
Nima yerga qo'y?
3 meter.
3 significant
Uni
figure.
tortib keting. Zarar yo'q.
3 significant figure. I want 3 significant figure.
5 dan tort.
Okay. I want your answer in 3 significant figure.
Bu yerdan ki. 8 metr. Tort.
Up to here. Yes, that one. 205. 205. So this one plus 205.
10.5.
10.5. 10.5.
Okay, now, have you finished? Go to your group now. Let us see your calculations. Okay, group 1. What's the height of our building?
13.3 meters long.
Very good. Next, what is the height of our tree?
5.49 meters.
5.49 meters. So, obviously, the building is bigger than or higher than the tree. Very good. And yours?
3.39.
3.39 meters. So, this one is bigger than this. It's also correct. Okay? Did you get it? How to use gradient in a real life situation? Yes. Very good. Let's have our quiz B. Now, these are the mechanics of the quiz B. First, it is self-paced, meaning it's your own speed. Okay, answer it according to your own speed. Secondly, of course, I will give prizes for those who win.